On the agentic platform, agents can use a website with files external integration to access and retrieve website content, including HTML and PDF files, to respond to user queries. As such, you will learn in this tutorial how to create a website with files external integration. You can create a new external integration by going to Data Sources External Integrations. Click on Add External Integration. Then select Website with Files to create a new integration. Now you can set up the external integration to access the content from a specific website. Here, we will set up the integration to retrieve the content from the Konverso website. Begin by giving a name to the data source. Since this integration does not need credentials, you can skip this parameter. Next, enter a brief description of the integration by outlining its contents and its intended use. Select the language of the website's content. Next, provide the URL of the website. Next, you can optionally specify one or more allowed domains. These are substrings of URLs from which content is permitted to be retrieved. If you want to add more than one domain, click Add to display a new field, where you can enter another domain. Next, you can change the maximum number of pages to extract from the website. By default, this limit is set to 5,000. Next, select the PDF text extraction strategy. This allows you to control how the text is extracted from the PDF files, if any are present. There are 4 options. The text-only option, which is selected by default, will only extract the text. The Text by Mistral OCR option will extract text from each page of the PDF, but ignore any images. The Text and Images option will first extract the text, then identify any images, which will be converted into text using an LLM. The Text and Images Reformatted option will first extract the text, then provide both an image of the page and the extracted text to an LLM, which will output the text in a structured format. Next, select the Image Content Extraction strategy. This allows you to control how the content of images is extracted. There are 3 options. The Text by Google OCR option will send images to the Google OCR service, which will extract the text from those images. The Text by Mistral OCR option will send images to the Mistral OCR service, which will extract the text from those images. The Text and Content option will send the images to an LLM, which then will generate descriptions of both the images and their content. Finally, click on Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The Konverso website with files integration is now available in the list with the created status. If you wait a little bit and then refresh the page, the integration will have the indexing in progress status. It means that the data source is being processed. As such, you will need to wait until the status indicates ready before adding the integration to an agent. Note that this can take several minutes depending on the size of the website. Once it is ready, you can download the content's metadata as an Excel list by clicking the Download button. This allows you to review the content that has been retrieved.